Want to log into NFL Plus on your TV? Here's how to do it step by step. First, make sure your TV or streaming device has the NFL app installed. If not, you want to go to Devices App Store, search NFL and download it. NFL Plus will work on connected TV devices like Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Android TV. Once you have downloaded the NFL app, you want to sign in using your email and password linked to your NFL Plus subscription. Once confirmed, your TV will refresh and unlock NFL Plus content. If you cannot log in, check that the subscription is active and you're using the right account and your app is updated. Restarting the app or device can also fix access issue. Once logged in, you can start streaming live games, replays, and exclusive NFL Plus content right on your TV. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.